Back, and today we have a dresser td-8e. It's a small to medium-sized bulldozer. Has a 6-way blade. It can raise up and down, in and out, or go like this. You got your tracks. It's got rollers on the bottom. Tension is by oil, a way of putting the oil in, and it tensions a track. Cylinder for raising, lowering. Cylinder for in and out. And then down here is the cylinder for rotation. It's protected by a guard in case some dirt or rock goes over and hits it. And then you got light. You got the front grille, pretty thick metal. Then you got the ropes connection point for the front. Then back there's the middle protection point. Then you got your stack. You got the air intake. And back here is the third connection point on the rear of the machine. Then you got your sprocket. And back here is just a simple pintle hitch and a backup horn for safety and a fuel tank with dresser on it. Blue and orange, that was their color. You got your td-8e, and there's the cab. Excuse me while I climb up into the cab. Up here in the cab area, got protection for the stack. And you got your air intake again. Then you got over here for, I think, cooling. Put cooling fluid in there. Back here's the cab. Got a little box for stowing. Battery on off. Then you got your main panel of all your clutch pressure, converter oil temperature, engine oil pressure, amp meter, coolant temp. Then you got your hour meter, 2,449. You got your horn, ether injector. Got your starter. You got lights, kind of electrode. Then there's a cover to protect all this when you go away for the night. Just lock it up with a lock. Also, there are a lot of locks on this machine for certain things, like the battery, the storage. And then the way this machine works is you set the throttle at a certain position, wherever you want to have it. Then when you want to shift, you press the decelerator. This is what this is called. And then you just switch the gear. It's an automatic. There's no clutch. But there is an all-track brake over here. Then you got individual track brakes right here. And over here you got the shifter, 3 speeds reverse, neutral position. Then you got 3 speeds ahead. Then there's this, so when you park, it doesn't slip into gear if it's running. And over here you got your control for the blade. You got up, down, left, right. Then you got the rotation control. That's about it. There's one more thing. Got your cap of some sort. I'm not sure if it's for hydraulic or fuel. Then you got an ether can. That's about it.